of just how we got into this mess. Got so aggressive. I know we meant all good intentions. Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This video is on transitions and what you can do to make them much smoother for your child. This is one video in a video series, so please take a look at all the strategies and see which one or which ones make the most sense. Now, another really common trick to help kids transition is to use song. For smaller children, this works really well. Think about the very popular songs you hear in daycares and preschools that involve cleanup. The cleanup song is a signal. It helps kids to figure out what they're going to do when they're going to move from point A to B. So if you are able to incorporate some type of transition song, which you can even make up, you can be really creative with this. This can really help your child to transition. The music acts as a signal, and singing is relaxing and singing is fun. So hopefully this will ease the transition and make it more fun for your child.